With ongoing concern about earthquakes in Japan, the government there is pouring funds into a research project focusing on a major fault line which runs through the main island of Honshu. But scientists remain divided over just what areas should be priorities. Correspondent Rachel Mealy is in Tokyo.
It's a question always on the minds of the Japanese people, and especially those who live in big cities like Tokyo. When will the next earthquake strike, and how big will it be? While it seems harmless enough, the topic continues to divide scientists across the spectrum of earthquake research. The Japanese government has stepped up its communication about earthquakes. It's released a video showing computer-generated images to remind people in rural areas and in major cities about what to expect. The government wants everyone to have a survival plan and a stock of emergency supplies at the ready. The government's focusing its research dollars and resources on a fault line known as the Nankai Trough, where two continental plates meet just off the coast of Japan. But the new money is causing a stir amongst seismologists. We went along to an earthquake symposium held at the University of Tokyo. There, Professor Robert Geller said there's no evidence that the Nankai Trough is due to rupture, and telling people it's imminent creates panic in one area of Japan and complacency in other areas. But straight after his lecture, he was shouted down by the head of the Earthquake Prediction Centre, also at Tokyo University, who believes earthquakes move in a cycle and it's valid to warn people when the probability of an earthquake is high. The body receiving the funds for the monitoring project is the Japan Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology. It's placed detectors on the seabed in the Nankai Trough in the hope the data it collects might help detect unusual movements which might precede a big earthquake. They say this could help with future warning systems. But while the debate rages in the scientific community, ordinary people might be better to turn to Japanese folklore for the answer. As the story goes, catfish in a pond are a good predictor of earthquakes. Apparently, they swim erratically right before an earthquake occurs.